Relative molecular mass, molecular weight. Relative molecular mass, also known as molecular weight, is a measure of the mass of a molecule compared to 1/12 the mass of a carbon-12 atom. It is a dimensionless quantity typically expressed in atomic mass units or grams per mole. Relative molecular mass of a compound is determined by summing the atomic masses of all the atoms in the molecule. Each atomic mass is obtained from the atomic masses of the individual elements present in the compound. The atomic masses used in the calculation are based on the values listed on the periodic table. The formula for calculating relative molecular mass is as follows. Relative molecular mass equal mass 1 multiply number of atoms 1 plus mass 2 multiply number of atoms 2 plus. In this formula, mass 1, mass 2, etc. represent the atomic masses of the respective elements and the number of atoms 1, number of atoms 2, etc. represent the number of atoms of each element present in the molecule. For example, the relative molecular mass of water H2O can be calculated as follows. Relative molecular mass of H2O equal atomic mass of H multiply 2 plus atomic mass of O equal 1.008 U multiply 2 plus 16.00 U equal 18.02 U. The relative molecular mass of water is approximately 18.02 U. The relative molecular mass is used to determine the amount of substance in a given mass of a compound, calculate the molar mass of a substance and perform various calculations in chemistry, such as stoichiometry and molecular formula determination.